let's be real. When you think of Saudi food, what comes to your mind? Biryani, kebabs, lots of meat? But here's the thing, there's an entire world of vegetarian dishes that people don't talk about. And we're here to change that. Over the next few days, I, along with my fellow food lovers, will be exploring the best of Saudi cuisine. From hitting local markets to learning secret recipes and of course, eating a lot of good food. I'm currently in Jeddah waiting for, leave something to your surprise. Knowing them, one is probably hanging out with the locals and the other is already scouting for hidden gems.
Neha, I hope you haven't eaten all the food already, huh?
Guys, the city is amazing. I mean, I have already got 15 shots for my feet.
Suman, Atman, you guys have amazing food tours to complete. And dekho, whoever tries the most amount of dishes, उसे मिलेगा a big box of dates from me.
मुझे इतनी कोई problem नहीं है, guys.
Guys, no cheating. Video proof चाहिए. चलो चलो.
Let's go.
This is just the beginning. Stay with us as we dive deeper into the heart of Saudi cuisine, one dish at a time.
So we are starting to make Saudi coffee. MashaAllah.
First we'll do the kabsa, the vegetarian kabsa. The next dish is ma'doos.
Potatoes are going in. So guys, today we are here at Chef Visham's. He is an Instagram sensation. Chef Visham, Neha.
Finally, we meet in person.
Oh my God, yes.
So this is my restaurant, and here where I cook my recipes, and also a restaurant for people to come and visit me and feel like they're at home. Today, we're gonna talk about the recipe that we're gonna do, which is jarish. Jarish, it's our main course in the region or in the country.
Welcome to Musa Empire.
This is beautiful. Well, it's a bright sunny day and here we are at Earth Cafe. This is an institution of flavors of Saudi. So guys, Suman और Atman दोनों ही अपने एडवेंचर्स पे गए थे. Okay, so they went on their own culinary journey. We are here at Al Balad. Balad's beauty has simply cast a spell on me with its mesmerizing galiyan, cute little cafes, shops galore, and don't even get me started on the street food. It's vegetarian and it's delicious. Stay tuned for episode 2 of this epic vegetarian food trip to Saudi Arabia, guys. In the next episode, you will see us visit a Saudi home where we learn how to cook traditional Saudi recipes, Saudi style, and a lot more surprises.